YouTube, what's up? My name's Larry. It's my first YouTube video, and I just want to take a moment to welcome you all to our parcel. We're in North Carolina. We're from Charlotteans, Charlotte native, North Carolinians, and coming from the city, it's been a big change in our lives, and yeah, we've used a lot of YouTube videos to help us with the lifestyle change. We've gone from just being good old city folks, hardworking people, to homesteaders to some degree. Raising animals, homeschooling our kids. Got a very beautiful, intelligent wife that you'll meet later on. Got some awesome kids, 3 boys here that you will meet later on. But for now, I think this first video is just going to be an overview of the new addition to our family. My Kubota BX2380. It's a subcompact tractor. This is my first tractor, but working around small equipment, lawnmowers, etc., chainsaws, etc. Pretty much been used to doing that for a while, but this is my first tractor. I'm gonna flip the camera around so I can give you all a walk around. Get my hands out the screen. And here we go. Alright, so there it is. Again, this is the Kubota BX2380 Subcompact tractor. Number of reasons why I decided to go with this tractor. Just great reviews, reputable company, local distributor or dealer, about 15-20 minutes from where I live. And I figured, why not go with something that I could get add-ons, what they call implements, service, parts, in the event that I need any of that. And yeah, my first tractor, I'm excited. So quick overview. It is the 2024 model. It came just how it sits. You got your bucket on the front. It's a Kubota LA 344. And I have the box blade by Land Pride. And from what I understand, doing a lot of research, a lot of folks recommended you go with a box blade and, this similar setup for your first tractor. I feel like the subcompact small tractor is perfect for a little 5-acre parcel, just over 5-acre parcel. We only have about an acre cleared. But this thing has a 21.6 horsepower engine. You get 17.7 to the rear PTO. 4-wheel drive. All the things that you think, that I think you should need on a tractor with zero experience, that is. I'm gonna open up the engine compartment if I can get it open. On down. Let's see here. Definitely a 2-hand job. There we go. Alright, so it's unlocked. And I had to pull that forward. A little pressure on the hood. Pull down on that. And there she is. A little dusty. But that's the engine. Kubota's got plenty of information on their website on all the specs, air filter, cleaning, and all of that good stuff. Nice little cluster, everything right there for you. I did add this. Of course, it didn't come with that. I need one in orange. I think that'd be nice just to match. But it's functional. Got all those goodies in there. Everything is easily accessible. Done quite a few jobs around my parcel with it, and been helping out some friends, and you'll see some of some of those jobs coming up soon. Just keep tabs on us, and you're going to learn a lot with us. There's a lot to be learned, and we try to spend every single day learning something new. And the latest thing right now is a YouTube channel. Thankful for all the experienced YouTubers that have shared their information, giving me a lot of guidance in regards to how-tos and whatnot. But yeah, Kubota 2380. What else can I say about the Kubota tractor? It's been very dependable. It should be for a brand new tractor. But it's been very easy to learn. Becoming skilled with running a bucket, becoming skilled with learning to use a box blade. I've used it on this gravel driveway once and love the results that I got. This is just still a construction driveway. We do need to have more gravel put down. It gets a little mushy, but the Kubota gets it done. Cleans it up real good, and yeah, no complaints as of now. What else could I say about the Kubota? Working on some yard projects. We've got some negative drainage and some standing water here and there. Right along this front section, there's a downspout for the gutters. Water sits right there. I want to get it pooling this way, or running this way, and running just over that hillside right there. As well as I've recently worked on the same issue in my backyard. We got some negative grade, had some negative grade, and I've taken care of that. Got a tree stump right here to remove. But there was a large hump that allowed water to run right up against my house right there. And of course, that's negative grade, not good. So I've been working it out, and I wish I would have filmed it, but it's one of those things that I was in the middle of doing and decided, you know what, I could be sharing this good information with YouTube, just like everybody shared their good information with me. So with that said, show you some of the other things we've done. Food plot. What else we got? We've done some chicken raising. We've raised some pigs, considering goats. Gonna plant way back there over our septic. We're gonna do corn, etc. We'll see. But yeah, some of the things my Kubota's helped me with and gonna help me with. Anyway, back to the tractor. Gonna be hard for me to stay on subject. So much to show, so much to talk about, and you know, just wanted to make my first little video, see what you guys think. And if you have any questions, if anybody wants any detailed information, has any requests for any kind of videos, feel free to ask down below in the comments. And I'm gonna flip this, and I'm gonna end this video by saying that so far my first tractor experience has been a good one. Shout out to Kubota, shout out to Sink Farm Equipment in Lexington, North Carolina, and shout out to you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.